Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change and customize keyboard themes on iOS. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't allow native keyboard theming. To customize, we have to install third-party keyboards and we're gonna go with Gboard. First, what we need to do is go to the App Store, which should be on your main screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, then go to App Store. Now click on the search icon, then on the search bar, write Gboard. There it is. Now just click on the download button and wait. Okay, now once it's done, let's open the Gboard. Let's get started. First we have to enable full access. Let's go to the apps. It should open by itself. Keyboard, allow full access, allow. Okay, now once that's done, go back to the Gboard, then go to the themes, and there it is. Now let's choose one of the themes. I guess we can go with this one. Okay, now let me just go to the notes. Gboard. That's it. You see? Now we have a different theme. It was really easy. I hope I helped you and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Thanks and bye.